Researchers and organizational psychologists at MIT give 4 leadership guideposts that we should think about as we start to cultivate our understanding of what leadership is. The first one is that leadership is a distributed concept. That is, it's not solely the purview of you or the CEO or any other executive. Instead, it's something that should be distributed to empower people to make positive change at all levels of the organization. Second, there's not one single best leadership style. Instead, leadership should be thought of as a way to create change using the particular capabilities that you as a leader have, that the organization has, and the resources that are around. You can also think of leadership as simply working to improve and expand upon the capabilities of your team, yourself, and your organization. Third, leading is about creating processes that create change. It's not about having a brilliant idea that will change the way everything is done necessarily. Instead, as a great leader, you're going to play a central role in the actual change process itself. Sometimes this simply means creating an environment where others feel empowered to act, engage, and make a difference. Fourth, leadership skills can be developed over time. It's through practice, self-reflection, mentorship, team feedback, theory, and education that people can become better leaders. So, to wrap up, leadership is a distributed concept. There's not one single best way to lead. It's about creating processes that create positive change, and it can be cultivated over time.